Welcome to Belle's Beauty Channel. If you are a newcomer, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. I love to hear what you have to say. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. It helps my content a great deal. And I love talking to you guys and seeing your comments and likes on my videos. It makes my day. And I would love to hear if any of you are getting the new Banana-fetish from Jeffree Star himself, or the new Jeffree Star Skin Banana-fetish extension line. And here in front of me, I have my box, which I bought the entire new Jeffree Star Banana-fetish collection and the new Banana-fetish Jeffree Star Skin Extension collection. So let's dive into this video. Are you ready? Banana-fetish, everyone. Here she is in all her glory. The box. The box is beautiful. Look at that paper. Oh my goodness. Look, here's the palette. So here is Mr. JSC himself. And the back of the poster card. So here it is, everybody. Here is Banana-fetish. The yellow that everybody has been dying for. But I think we're all still waiting on a gold and silver palette. Like if he did one with all metallic shimmers or all different types of silvers and golds and rose golds, I think that would be so pretty. So let's open her up. Banana-fetish, everyone. I'm so excited. Woo! There she is. She is slim. She is fit. Take out the plastic protector. There she is. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This periwinkle color is just calling my name. So I know when I do my look, I'm gonna have to use this color. But isn't she gorgeous? I will not do swatches in this video. In my next video that I'm going to be doing a complete look, this is just the unboxing, that is going to be next. And look at this. She has a little metal plaque right there. And there she is. On to the next. So the first thing I grabbed was the yellow F-proof. Look at her. Now, last time I bought from his collection, I had a broken one. It does not look like I have a broken one in this one, so super excited. Here she is. There is the wand tip applicator. Now, what I love about this stopper in the F-proof mascara is it's clean. No matter how many times I take it out and put it back in, for the most part, it's clean. However, in the Jeffree Star approved mascara, it is not. I don't like using it because it is so messy. Let me show you. Look how that is supposed to be pink all around. It is not. Look how much product, I don't know if you could tell. Look how much product gets pulled. And look how much is on. Like, it's so freaking jammed packed. Look at that. Like, you're not supposed to put that. It's supposed to be a light and, you know, classic, almost as if you're wearing nothing natural. You can't even really tell the applicator wand that what kind of shape or what kind of bristles it has, because it's so jam-packed with mascara. So I don't like it. I will stick with the original F-proof mascara. It's just what I like. It gives me that dramatic look, those long, beautiful lashes. This is more for a more natural look, but it's still part of my collection. Now, look at that. Look, there's none. It's yellow. On the pink one, it's supposed to be pink, and it's not. So that is what she looks like. And look how much product is on there. You could still see the bristles. This one, you cannot see the bristles whatsoever. And in between is all jam-packed product. And look how messy it is. And I've only used this once, just to try it on in my video on when I did a look with everything. All that mess just from one use, and now me showing you putting it in back and forth. Let's move on. The next product is the F-proof in the Periwinkle color. Oh, look how beautiful that color is. Again, like, there's just something about these stoppers in the F-proof mascara. It just hits different. Next product. The brown F-proof mascara. I'm not a brown kind of girl when it comes to mascara or eyeliner, but you know what? I might have to do like a chocolate sundae fudge type of look. I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do two videos using the traditional, like, banana split sundae type of look with the brown and the yellow, and then I'll probably do a more dramatic, fun look with the periwinkle mascara and the periwinkle eyeshadow, maybe some of the pink eyeshadow. Next two products are the Velour liquid lip scrub and banana cream pie. That is what she looks like outside of the package. Oh my god. It literally smells like banana cream pie. It smells so good. And then we have the Banana-fetish Repair and Revive Lip Mask. That is what she looks like outside of the package. JSC logo. That is what she looks like. Has a slight hint of banana. Smells really good. And this paper, everybody, is so pretty. I love the pink and the yellow. Next two products are the Banana Bundt Cake. That is what she looks like outside of the box. smells like literally banana bundt cake. I'm not sure if I like this one. Next is the banana split. I'm excited for this one because if she smells like banana splits, oh my goodness. This is what she looks like outside of the box. Now she does smell of banana, but I'm not sure I'm getting banana split. I won't know until I test it out. Next is the Jeffree Star Skin extension line of the Banana-fetish Hydrating Moisturizer. Wow, look how pretty. Yes, look at the little banana. I am so excited to add the sister twin to my Jeffree Star Skin collection. I can't wait to use this. I am not going to start until after I do my 3-month review video because I want to know the difference between Jeffree Star Skin and Jeffree Star Skin with banana potassium. I want to know if the new formula is better than the original and how she works differently compared to this one. And the last item in the box is the Jeffree Star Skin Banana-fetish Body Scrub. Here she is in all her glory. Wow, this is way bigger than what I thought it was. And I'm glad because this is supposed to be for the shower, the body scrub that has potassium, and I want it to last. Look at that top. So that is what she looks like. She does smell like bananas. Oh my gosh. Okay, it literally smells like a banana smoothie, like a chocolate banana smoothie. So let's start with a recap of everything that's in the Banana-fetish collection and the Banana-fetish Jeffree Star Skin extension line. First off, the palette. I did say there's going to be no swatching in this video, but that doesn't mean I can't read off the shade names for you guys, and then I'll give you a close-up. So to start with, it's going to be My Peeps, Cream Pie, G-Spot, Just the Tip, How Do You Peel, Certified Organic. That is the first row. Star Split, Bulge, Banana-fetish, Vitamin P, Pinky Ring, Size Queen. That is all of the second row. Hammock, Sunday Service, Never Bitter, Morning After, Pounding Cake, and Don't Choke. That is the third line. So here are the colors up close. And that is it. Next, we have the 3 extensions of F-Proof. First one is Banana-fetish, and that is the yellow one. Second is Periwinkle Sprinkle, and that is the blue one. The third one is Chocolate Fondue. There she is. Now next are the lip scrubs, which are extremely yummy, edible, and vegan cruelty-free is what it says on the packaging. There we go. And this one is Banana Split, and then Banana Cream Pie, and then Banana Bundt Cake. Now, that is everything for the cosmetic line. I, again, am super shocked he didn't add any velour liquid lipsticks, no velvet traps, and no glosses, and no Supreme glosses. What do you think that is? Let me know down below. So, moving on to the Jeffree Star Skin extension line for the Banana-fetish is the Banana-fetish Repair and Revive Lip Mask. And this is banana-infused lip mask designed to soften, hydrate, and naturally plump your lips. So it says, leave a generous amount onto a clean, dry lips, leaving on for long-lasting moisture. Now, what I don't like is that he does not give us an exact timeline of how long it would take to naturally pump our lips. That's the only, bone to pick that I have, but that's just me. So next is the Banana-fetish Hydrating Moisturizer. So again, this is moisturized when infused with banana extract, which smooths and softens your skin with an abundance of potassium, magnesium, and other nourishing vitamins and minerals. And on the back here, it has the ingredients, and it lets you know what's inside it, how much is inside of it. So now I'm just going to read off what some of the ingredients are supposed to do for our skin with this moisturizer. It's supposed to hydrate, brightens, reduce an excess oily production, moisturizes and reduces fine line and wrinkles, improves skin elasticity, instantly increases hydration, sculpts and reshapes, and brightens uneven skin tones by reducing dark spots. And then it says, apply a small amount to fingertips and gently massage into the skin. And that is all for the moisturizer. On to the next. Next is the Banana-fetish Body Scrub. And so what this guy is supposed to do, so it's a gently banana-infused body scrub that buffs away impurities and dead skin cells, leaving your skin plumped and hydrated. So again, it has the ingredients and how much of the ingredients are in this product. And I will read off what the ingredients are supposed to do. So it's supposed to combat moisture loss and protects the skin structure. Contains a natural alternative to some sort of acid. Honestly, I can't pronounce it, but that is the word right there. And then it provides gently exfoliation and helps to minimize pores. Promotes rejuvenation of the skin and packed with the skin soothing vitamins and minerals. Again, massage a generous amount into a wet skin in a circular motion. Rinse thoroughly. And so, yeah, that is everything. So this is dermatologist tested, non-irritating, and eye safe. Just in case you're in the shower and you get this in your eyes, it's eye safe. So, and that is it for the entire new Banana-fetish collection and the new extension line to the Jeffree Star Skin. Thank you so much for watching. And again, if you like content like this, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and let me know down below of what you think. And if you're getting anything from the new JSC Skin extension line or the Banana-fetish collection, I would love to hear what all of you lovelies have to say. And I'll see you in the next video.